Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an event on Calendly. First, log into your Calendly account. You will then choose an event type that best fits your needs. Calendly offers options like one-on-one meetings, where one invitee books a time, or group events, allowing multiple people to book the same slot. This initial step is crucial for defining the structure of your scheduled interactions. Next, you will define the core details of your event. Give your event a clear, descriptive name so invitees know exactly what it is. Specify the location, whether it is a virtual meeting via Zoom or Google Meet or a physical address. Add a brief description outlining the event's purpose. Finally, customize your event link to create a professional and easy-to-remember URL for sharing. Now, let us set your availability. Clearly define the specific days and hours you are open for bookings. You can set the duration for each meeting, perhaps 15, 30, or 60 minutes. To avoid feeling rushed, add buffer times, like 10 minutes, before and after events. You can also limit the total number of events per day to maintain a balanced and manageable schedule. Finally, enhance the invitee experience and manage notifications. Customize questions to gather essential information from your invitees during booking. Set up automatic email and calendar invitations to ensure everyone receives the details. Configure reminder emails, perhaps 24 hours before, to significantly reduce no-shows. You can also redirect invitees to a specific web page after they successfully book their slot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.